In today's video, we're looking at a new unmanned system tested by the United States Marine Corps that could change the way amphibious operations are conducted in the future. During a recent technical concept experiment held at Red Beach on Marine Corps Base Camp Pendleton in California, the Marine Corps tested an experimental unmanned amphibious ground vehicle designed to move from sea to shore without a crew. The platform, described as an unmanned swarming amphibious craft, was seen operating along the shoreline and in the surf zone during the exercise. Its design clearly focuses on supporting future Marine Corps operations in contested coastal environments, where manned vehicles could face higher risk from enemy fire, drones, or surveillance systems. The vehicle itself is an amphibious, tracked, unmanned system fitted with additional flotation elements to improve buoyancy and stability in rough sea conditions. These features allow it to approach the shoreline directly from open water and then transition onto land, even when waves are relatively high. This capability is critical for amphibious forces that need to operate in unpredictable maritime environments. Interestingly, the system did not appear to carry any weapons during the test. Instead, it was equipped with sensors, communications gear, and a flat cargo deck. This suggests the focus of the experiment was on mobility, remote control, and survivability rather than direct combat. The visible configuration points toward roles such as logistics support, reconnaissance, or the deployment of sensors and supplies in forward areas. Footage and materials from the demonstration indicate that the vehicle uses a remote control architecture supported by satellite communications. This setup implies that the platform is intended for beyond line-of-sight operations, allowing Marines to control or monitor missions from ships or command posts located far offshore, reducing risk to personnel. So far, the Marine Corps has not released detailed technical data such as the vehicle's weight, payload capacity, range, or endurance. Officials have also not confirmed its primary mission role. However, the lack of armament strongly indicates that this test was meant to validate the system's ability to operate reliably in the challenging amphibious environment rather than evaluate combat performance. This unmanned amphibious craft fits closely with the Marine Corps' evolving doctrine, which emphasizes smaller, more dispersed units operating across island chains and coastal regions. In these scenarios, unmanned and autonomous platforms could play a key role by reducing logistical pressure, extending operational reach, and supporting Marines without exposing them to unnecessary risk. As the Marine Corps continues to experiment with unmanned systems, tests like this offer a glimpse into how future amphibious operations may rely more on remote and autonomous platforms to operate in some of the most contested environments on the battlefield.